Hey everyone, are you in Dubai trying to join a voice channel on the Discord app but nothing's working? Voice doesn't connect, people can't hear you, or it just spins endlessly? That's not a Discord bug, it's because voice chat is blocked in the UAE. In this video, I'll show you how to use the voice channel in the Discord app while in Dubai using a simple, safe method that actually works. You'll find a special link in the description to get NordVPN, the VPN I personally use and trust. It's one of the few that still works reliably in Dubai. In Dubai and across the UAE, all VoIP services are blocked by local telecom providers like Etisalat and Du. That includes Discord voice channels, WhatsApp voice, video calls, Skype, Zoom, FaceTime, and more. So even though you can open the Discord app, you won't be able to use voice channels unless you bypass those restrictions. To fix this, you need a VPN, a virtual private network. A VPN changes your IP address, so it looks like you're browsing from another country. Encrypts your internet traffic, so your ISP can't block apps like Discord. Lets you join and speak in Discord voice channels without any issue. But here's the thing, most VPNs don't work in Dubai. Free VPNs are usually blocked or too slow. That's why I use NordVPN. It has obfuscated servers made to bypass UAE restrictions, fast and stable servers for voice chat, a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can try it completely risk-free. Let me show you how to set it up step by step. Step 1, click the NordVPN link in the description to sign up. Step 2, choose a plan and create your account. Step 3, download and install the NordVPN app, available for iOS, Android, Windows, macOS. Step 4, go to Settings, Auto Connect, turn on obfuscated servers. Step 5, connect to a server outside the UAE, like the US, UK, or Germany. Step 6, open the Discord app and try joining a voice channel. It should now work perfectly. Still stuck? Try these quick fixes. Switch to a different VPN server. Restart Discord or your phone computer. Clear the Discord app's cache on mobile. Try switching VPN protocols. Use NordLynx or OpenVPN TCP. Make sure your internet connection is strong. These usually solve the problem 100%. So that's how you use Discord app voice channels in Dubai, even though they're normally blocked. All you need is NordVPN with obfuscated servers. Use the link in the description to get NordVPN with a discount and 30-day money-back guarantee. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. Like this video if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more Discord guides that work anywhere in the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.